Back with another video, and today we are going to be making slime at 3 a.m. and I'm super excited that I'm going to be able to make slime at 3 a.m. and so it is currently 3 a.m. And so I had to cover something out because it was kind of like information. So what you will be needing for this slime. Oh, I have something special. Just one reminder, I have something special at at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. But let's just get on with the video. So what you will be needing for this slime is any kind of school glue, white, clear, glitter, gel, and you'll also be needing some salt, any kind of type of thick shampoo, any type of thick conditioner, mixing bowl, a spoon, mixing bowl, and also, if you can hear this, water. If you want, I'm gonna see if I will need water or if I won't need water. So let me tie my hair so I don't get it messy. So yeah, okay. So shut this hair off. So now let's get on. So first of all, you're going to. I have 3 more bottles of this because I got it because I got 4 of them and I got it at Walmart for 29 cents. Just to be clear with you, you can get this glue at Walmart for 25 cents. But yeah, let's just get on with the slime. So first of all, you're going to want to pour I'm going to pour a little bit of the bottle. I'm not going to pour the whole thing because I want to save some of it. Yeah, it's sticky. Let's add more. Okay, this is good enough. This other one, this other one. Yeah. I don't really like touching glue. Ew, this glue stinks. Ooh. Okay, you guys can have the whole bottle, but I'm not. I'm saving some. Okay, so now we're going to add. I'm not adding food coloring, but you guys can. Now I'm adding a little bit of the. I'm just gonna make like a heart. That's how much I want. Okay, so that's what I want. You can add as much as you want. You only actually supposed to add a little bit. So just add a little bit, but you can add a lot. But to make it like bigger. But yeah, I'm going to add some salt. Wait, we're going to stir it up. Then wait. Did you guys hear that? It was like dum, like that. Like if somebody said dum, like that. Okay, I'm getting. Do you hear that? It's going like this. Okay, but let's. Should I just? I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to stir it up. Because I don't want to wake up my parents. don't want to wake my parents.